Well, hello, beautiful.
Are you gonna kill me, Mr. Jackson?
I don't want to kill you. Don't talk like one of them. You're not. Even if you'd like to. What would I do without you?
Play with me.
To them, you're just a freak. Like me.
And?
For a guy like me, that's cold. Why so serious? He comes at me with the knife. Why so serious? He sticks the blade in my mouth. Let's put a smile on that face. And... why so serious?
Every decision you've ever made ends with death and misery. People die. I stop you.
That actually is pretty funny.